You drive it every day. You fill the tank, you buckle up, you turn the key, or press the button, and you go. Your Ford feels familiar. It feels like home. But here is a truth that most Ford owners never find out. The car sitting in your driveway is hiding a remarkable number of secrets, features, tricks, and pieces of engineering brilliance that Ford quietly baked into your vehicle. Features that nobody ever told you about. Features that could make your driving life genuinely easier, safer, and more enjoyable starting today. Whether you drive a F-150, an Explorer, a Mustang, an Edge, or anything else wearing that famous blue oval badge, this video is going to change the way you think about your own vehicle. These are not obscure things you need a mechanic to access. These are things sitting right there, waiting for you. So settle in, because we are about to go deep into 9 things you almost certainly did not know about your Ford. Number 1. Your Ford can roll down all 4 windows with one button press. Let's start with something that sounds almost too simple to be true, but will immediately make you feel like you have been missing out for years. Your Ford has the ability to roll down every single window in the car simultaneously, and you do not need to climb in and press 4 separate buttons to do it. The trick lives right on your key fob, the little remote you probably use every single day without thinking about it. Here's how it works. Press the unlock button on your key fob one time to unlock the doors. Then, immediately press and hold that same unlock button for about 3 seconds. As you hold it down, watch what happens. Every window in your vehicle will begin to lower all at once, as if by magic. On a hot summer day when your car has been baking in the sun for 6 hours, this is nothing short of revolutionary. You can start venting that trapped heat before you even reach the door handle. By the time you sit down, the interior has already started cooling off, and you are not gasping from that first blast of superheated air. This feature works on a wide range of Ford models going back several years, though the exact behavior can vary slightly depending on your trim level and the year of your vehicle. Some models will also close the windows with a similar long press on the lock button, giving you full remote window control without ever touching the interior controls. It is one of those features that feels like a cheat code once you know it exists, and there is a very good chance the person who sold you the car never once mentioned it. Number 2. The hidden override for your auto start-stop system. If you own a newer Ford, you have almost certainly had a moment of frustration with the auto start-stop system. You pull up to a red light, the engine shuts off to save fuel, and something about the vibration or the pause just bothers you. Maybe you are towing something light, and you do not want the engine cycling. Maybe you just do not like it. The car turns the system off when you press the button, but here is the thing most owners do not know. Every single time you start the vehicle, that system resets back to active. You have to press that button every single time you drive. Or do you? On many Ford models, there is a way to make the system remember your preference. The key is in your vehicle's settings menu on the center display. Depending on your model year and trim, you can navigate into the driver assistance or vehicle settings area and find an option that allows you to set the auto start-stop default to off. When it is configured this way, the system will stay deactivated by default every time you start the car, rather than requiring you to manually turn it off at every single drive. Beyond that, some Ford owners have discovered that holding down the auto start-stop button as they push the start button can immediately disable the feature for that drive cycle. The exact method varies by model, which is why it is worth opening your specific owner's manual to the start-stop section, because Ford has tucked this kind of customization into different places depending on the generation. The point is this: you are not stuck with a system that resets itself every morning. Your Ford is more customizable than you ever realized. Number 3. Your F-150 or truck bed has a secret measurement system. This one is specifically for truck owners, and it is going to make you look at the bed of your pickup truck in a completely different way. If you own a Ford F-150, an F-250, or another truck in the Ford lineup, there is a very high probability that the inside wall of your truck bed contains a built-in ruler, not a decorative stripe, an actual measurement guide etched or molded directly into the bedwall, typically on the driver's side. Ford began incorporating this into their truck beds as a quietly practical feature because truck owners are constantly dealing with measurements. You are loading lumber, pipe, furniture, equipment, and half the time you are doing it without a tape measure in your pocket. The bed ruler solves that problem elegantly. You can quickly check whether a piece of material fits, whether you need to let the tailgate down, or whether you have room to stack additional items. It is right there, it requires no batteries, and it never gets lost in the junk drawer. Beyond the ruler, your tailgate itself on newer F-150 models is a piece of engineering that goes far beyond what it appears to be. Some trims include a built-in step and grab handle that deploy from the tailgate, turning what would be an awkward climb into the truck bed into a simple, safe step-up. There are built-in cleat anchor points for securing cargo, integrated LED lighting in available configurations, and the available tailgate work surface that folds out to give you a surprisingly sturdy, flat platform. Your truck bed is not just a box, it is a workspace, and Ford has loaded it with more utility features than most owners ever discover. Number 4. Ford's MyKey system can make your car safer for teen drivers. If you have a teenager in the household who uses the family Ford, or if you are thinking about adding a young driver to your family at some point, this feature is one of the most genuinely useful things Ford has ever built. It is called MyKey, and it is a programmable safety system built directly into the vehicle that allows you to set permanent restrictions on how the car operates when a specific key is used. Here is how it works. You, as the vehicle owner, use your admin key, the one designated as the primary key, to program a secondary key called the MyKey. When the vehicle is started with the MyKey, the car automatically enforces a set of rules that you have defined. You can set a maximum speed limit, capping the vehicle at whatever speed you choose, so that the car simply will not go faster than you have allowed. You can set a persistent volume cap on the audio system, ensuring that music can never be turned up loud enough to drown out important sounds or become a distraction. The system will also chime persistently until everyone in the vehicle has buckled their seatbelt, and it will not allow certain driver assistance warnings to be disabled. What makes this system remarkable is that there is no workaround available through the MyKey alone. The teenager cannot go into settings and change any of this. The only way to alter or disable the MyKey restrictions is with the admin key. It is one of the most thoughtfully executed parental control systems in the automotive industry, and because it lives in the car itself rather than an app, it cannot be circumvented with a Wi-Fi password or a fresh download. Ford built this directly into the ignition system, and it is available on a very wide range of models going back well over a decade. Number 5. The secret to getting the most out of Ford's Pro Trailer: Backup Assist. Backing a trailer is one of those skills that seems like it should be straightforward, and somehow manages to defeat intelligent, capable adults on a regular basis. The problem is counterintuitive. When you back a trailer, you have to turn the wheel in the opposite direction from where you want the trailer to go. And maintaining that sense of direction while watching mirrors and managing speed simultaneously is genuinely difficult. Ford solved this problem in a way that feels almost like science fiction. Pro Trailer Backup Assist is a feature available on the F-150 and several other Ford trucks and SUVs, and what it does is flip the control logic in a way that makes immediate, intuitive sense. A small knob is located near the gear selector or on the center console. When you engage Trailer Backup Assist and put the vehicle in reverse, you turn that knob in whatever direction you want the trailer to go. The vehicle's computer takes that input, calculates the appropriate steering correction needed to actually achieve that trailer movement, and steers the front wheels for you automatically. You control the speed with the brake. The computer controls the steering. The result is that backing a trailer becomes something that a first-time tower can do confidently in minutes. But here is the thing most people do not know even after they learn about this feature. It works best when you spend a few minutes teaching the system about your specific trailer. By entering your trailer's measurements into the system, the computer can make more precise calculations, and the performance improves noticeably. Owners who set this up properly and then try the system report that the difference between a rough estimate and the properly calibrated setup is significant. Take the extra 10 minutes to configure it fully. The payoff is real. Number 6. Your Ford Sync system has a hidden voice command shortcut. Ford's Sync infotainment system gets a fair amount of criticism from reviewers, but buried inside it is a voice command capability that most owners never use to its full potential because they do not know the full extent of what it can do. Most people know they can say things like "call mom" or "navigate home." What they do not realize is that the system can handle significantly more complex natural language commands without requiring you to navigate through any menus at all. Depending on your generation of Sync and whether your vehicle has been updated with current software, you can speak commands like "find me a gas station with the cheapest price nearby," and the system will process that and return results. You can ask it to Play the album I was listening to last Tuesday and have it access your connected phone's music history. You can say, cool the passenger side by 2 degrees in a dual-zone climate system, and it will adjust without you touching a single button. The natural language processing in the newer generations of Sync is substantially more capable than the early generations, and Ford has pushed updates over the years that improved comprehension significantly. Here is the shortcut most people miss. Rather than pressing the voice command button and waiting for the prompt tone, try pressing and holding it. On many Ford models, holding the button activates a different, often faster voice processing mode. And if your Ford is connected to your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you can use Hey Siri or Hey Google for those platforms' native voice assistants, which operate independently of Sync and are often more current and capable. Learning to layer all 3 of these together, Sync's native voice, plus your phone's assistant, plus the manual controls, turns your center console into something genuinely powerful. Number 7. Ford's quiet mode and how it changes your cabin. Experience. This one is specifically relevant if you drive a Ford with a significant audio system, and if you drive a recent Mustang, Explorer, Edge ST, or any model with a premium audio package, listen closely. Many of these vehicles have a quiet mode built into the audio settings that does something most owners never discover. Quiet mode is a feature designed to allow the driver to have a hands-free phone conversation or simply drive in peace while rear seat passengers continue listening to the audio system through the rear speakers. When activated, it routes the audio so that the front speakers go quiet or significantly reduced while the rear speakers maintain their volume. The effect is a kind of private zone for the front occupants, allowing conversation without competing with the entertainment system that the backseat passengers are enjoying. For parents on long road trips, this is transformative. Children can watch a movie through the rear entertainment system with the audio coming through the rear speakers, while the adults in the front have a normal conversation or listen to navigation instructions without the chaos of competing sound. On models equipped with rear seat entertainment screens, quiet mode allows the whole cabin to function almost like 2 separate listening environments. Beyond quiet mode, the audio balance and fade controls in your Ford are more granular than the simple slider most people interact with. Spending time in the audio settings, particularly if your vehicle came with a Bang & Olufsen or Sony premium sound system, reveals equalization options, stage settings, and spatial audio adjustments that can dramatically change the way music feels in the cabin. Most owners set the bass slightly and never go back. The full customization available is well beyond what they ever explored. Number 8. The FordPass app can do things your key fob cannot. By now you have probably heard of the FordPass app. Ford has promoted it reasonably well, and most newer Ford owners have at least downloaded it. But there is a significant gap between knowing the app exists and actually knowing what it can do, because the app has capabilities that go well beyond what your physical key fob is able to perform. Your key fob has a limited range, typically somewhere in the neighborhood of 60 to 100 feet depending on battery strength and environmental interference. The FordPass app operates over your cellular connection, meaning you can start your Ford from your office, your hotel room, or across the country if you needed to for some reason. You can start the engine, set the climate control to your preferred temperature, and have the vehicle warmed up or cooled down by the time you walk out of a building. For people who live in climates with extreme temperatures, whether brutal winter cold or summer heat, this is a feature that makes a real daily difference. Beyond remote start, the app allows you to lock and unlock the doors remotely, check the fuel level, see the odometer reading, and receive alerts if the vehicle is moved without your key being present. For families with shared vehicles, you can monitor vehicle health remotely and get notifications about maintenance due. The app also connects to your dealership for scheduling service, and on some models, it can connect to Ford's roadside assistance network directly without requiring a phone call. The feature that surprises most people is the vehicle location. If you ever forget where you parked in a large lot or unfamiliar area, the app will show you exactly where your Ford is sitting on a map. It sounds simple, but in a massive airport parking structure, it is genuinely invaluable. Number 9. Your Ford's drive mode. System is more powerful than you know. Last but absolutely not least, we need to talk about what happens when you rotate or press that drive mode selector, and why most Ford owners are using it at about 10% of its actual potential. Whether your Ford has terrain management system, available on models like the Explorer or Bronco Sport, or the driving dynamics modes on performance-oriented vehicles like the Mustang or the ST-badged models, these systems are doing something far more comprehensive than simply adjusting the throttle feel. When you select a drive mode, you are not flipping a single switch. You are triggering a coordinated recalibration of multiple interconnected systems simultaneously. The throttle response changes. The transmission shift points change, holding gears longer or shifting earlier depending on the mode. The stability control parameters adjust, allowing more or less wheel slip before intervention. The steering weight and feedback character changes. The suspension tuning changes on models with adjustable dampers. The all-wheel drive torque split changes. On turbocharged models, the boost curve changes. In some cases, the exhaust valve position changes, altering the sound of the engine itself. All of this happens the moment you select a different mode. What this means in practice is that Eco Mode on a Ford is not just a fuel-saving gimmick. It genuinely transforms the vehicle into a different driving experience. Sport Mode on a Mustang EcoBoost is not just a throttle tweak. It is a fundamentally different car in terms of how it communicates and responds. Normal Mode is the compromise. The other modes represent real, engineered choices about what the vehicle prioritizes in that moment. Understanding this, really understanding that you are changing the fundamental personality of the car when you rotate that dial, makes the system feel far less like a feature you glance at and far more like a tool you should actively use every single drive. If you have a Ford Bronco or Bronco Sport and you have never used every single terrain mode in a situation where it applies, you are genuinely leaving performance and safety on the table. Those modes were calibrated by engineers spending serious time on real terrain. Use them. The bottom line. And there you have it. 9 things about your Ford that most owners will drive past for years without ever discovering. From the key fob window trick to the engineering complexity inside your drive mode selector, your Ford is a more capable, more thoughtful, and more customizable vehicle than the average driver ever realizes. Here is the honest truth about modern vehicles in general, and Fords in particular. The feature gap between what the car can do and what the owner actually uses grows wider every single year. Engineers keep adding capability. Owners keep using the same 5 features they learned in the parking lot on the day they bought the car. Our goal with every video on this channel is to close that gap a little bit, to give you back the full value of what you already own. If you found something in this video that genuinely surprised you, share it with another Ford owner. The key fob window trick alone will make you look like a genius. And if your Ford has a hidden feature we did not cover today, something you stumbled across on your own, or read buried in page 247 of your owner's manual, drop it in the comments. We read every single one. Drive safe, drive smart.